Who says small spaces have to be neutral? A compact apartment can hold just as much personality as a large home, sometimes even more. Today, we're exploring how to design a colorful, maximalist small apartment that feels bold, layered, expressive, yet still intentional and livable. In maximalist design, color isn't an afterthought. It's the structure of the room. Instead of white walls with small pops of color, consider saturated walls in deep teal, mustard, terracotta, or emerald. In a small apartment, this creates immersion. The key is confidence. When the entire room embraces color, it feels cohesive rather than crowded. Bold walls paired with equally intentional decor create harmony within vibrancy. Maximalism thrives on pattern, florals, geometrics, stripes, abstract prints. In a small apartment, scale matters. Mix one large-scale pattern with smaller, quieter ones. Anchor them with solid colored furniture pieces. The goal isn't randomness, it's rhythm. When patterns share a color story, the room feels curated instead of chaotic. Small apartments offer the perfect canvas for expressive gallery walls. Instead of spreading artwork across rooms, concentrate it. Mix framed prints, mirrors, typography, and personal photography. Allow frames to vary in style, but unify them through tone or color. A gallery wall draws the eye upward, making a compact space feel taller and more dynamic. In small spaces, every piece of furniture matters. Choose one or two bold statement items. A velvet sofa in jewel tone, a bright accent chair, or a painted cabinet. Let those pieces shine. while secondary furniture remains supportive. Maximalism isn't about filling every inch. It's about intentional impact. Shelves in a maximalist small apartment are opportunities for storytelling. Stack books horizontally and vertically. Add small plants, ceramics, framed art, collected objects. But balance is crucial. Leave breathing room between clusters. Negative space makes the abundance feel designed. Color becomes richer under warm lighting. Layer floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces. Avoid harsh overhead light. In small apartments, layered lighting softens bold colors, creating intimacy rather than intensity. One of the most important principles in a small maximalist apartment is containment. Keep maximalism concentrated in defined zones. A bold living room, a dramatic bedroom wall, a colorful entryway. This prevents visual fatigue while maintaining personality. The apartment feels vibrant, but never overwhelming. In a small apartment, we often forget the ceiling. But in maximalism, the ceiling is an opportunity. A painted ceiling in soft blush, deep navy, or muted terracotta can create an immersive atmosphere. Even patterned wallpaper overhead adds drama without taking up floor space. When the eye travels upward, the room feels taller, more layered, more intentional. In compact spaces, thinking vertically is everything. Color alone doesn't create richness. Texture completes it. Velvet cushions, woven rugs, glossy ceramics next to matte finishes, linen curtains floating beside patterned upholstery. In a small space, layered textures create depth without needing more square footage. The room feels dynamic even when the layout is simple. If your apartment has an open layout, use color to define zones. A deep green living corner, a mustard dining nook, a coral reading area. Instead of physical dividers, color becomes the boundary. This keeps the space visually exciting while maintaining flow. A small apartment doesn't need to be quiet to feel spacious. With intention, bold color and layered decor can create depth, warmth, and unforgettable personality. Maximalism is not about clutter. It's about expression. If you love colorful interiors and creative design ideas, subscribe for more inspiration. And tell me, would you go bold in a small space?